Do you know space is completely silent? Even though it looks dramatic and powerful, it's actually one of the quietest places imaginable. If the sun suddenly exploded right now, it would look absolutely massive and terrifying, but something very strange would happen. You wouldn't hear the explosion at all. No boom, no rumble, nothing reaching your ears. That's because sound needs something to travel through. It normally moves through air, water, or other materials. But space is almost a perfect vacuum. There's almost nothing there for sound waves to travel through. So even the biggest explosion in the universe would be completely silent, which means space might look loud and chaotic, but it's actually perfectly quiet.